Welcome to Assam. Assam is not for beginners. Waterfalls.
Yeah, man. Explain you.
Oh, nice. But where is the road?
अभी से KGF शुरू.
KGF. I was leaving to Umrangso. I had to collect this bike and drop it at a place, but this was stationed for like 2 days and now it's not starting. Come on, Tanmay. And finally, thank you. Falcon Festival, Falcon Motocross Challenge 2024. So we are going to this event. The event is going to take place in a golf field, so there won't be any stay option, and we will be camping. So all the things are getting loaded. This would be a great adventure. We have tent, we have fence, we have utensils to cook, gas and mattresses and everything, and even a generator. About 1.5 hours of smart packing, we are all set to go, and we'll be leaving here in the next few minutes, and it would be a 6 to 7 hours of journey. It's 12 and we are all set to go to the Falcon Motocross Challenge 2024. It's 12:30 and we were supposed to leave by 12, but yeah, things do take time. It's going to be a great journey, great adventure ahead, because we'll be camping. There won't be any hotel or homestay or something like that. Hansa is smoking. The weather is so chilled out here. Oh, nice. But where is the road? Hansa, I cannot see anything.
This is the road.
Right?
Yes.
Welcome to Assam. Assam is not for beginners.
Not for beginners.
Itu অলপমান বেছি দূৰ নাই আৰু এইটো ইয়াৰে গুচি গলি নেকি
Okay, did we miss a ride?
Big same হেনেকা ডাইৰেক্ট ব্ৰেক গিয়াৰ লগা
Waterfalls.
yeah man
Good morning from Umrao. So we have reached here at 6:30 in the morning, and we have come to this spot where there is sort of falls. This falls is so beautiful. It looks like Indian Niagara Falls. Asfaq. This spot is named Pani Mor. Actually, in Assamese, Pani Mor means water is mine. What were you saying?
अभी से KGF शुरू.
KGF. Why KGF?
Explain you. Bro, see this place.
Huh?
This is a cement.
Okay. Oh, pearls. is the Rocky Bhai of this KGF then? I think you can rule it, Ashfaq bro. You can be the Rocky Bhai. Ashfaq Bhai.
Let them have their own.
Sleeping like a baby. There was 14 kilo. So
You can video.
yeah. So what is 14 kilo, Ashfaq?
See,
I saw 15 kilo before.
see, basically how, like in south, if you see, it will be like 16 cross, 5 cross, 4 cross.
Yo Hani Singer.
Island number 1, 2,
Ha,
3.
crossroad. Okay.
Crossroad.
Here it's kilo
Yes,
road.
It's kilos.
Oh,
It's
road is
kilos.
measured in kgs here.
Bro, yes, literally yes.
Oh man.
Let's check it out.
Yup. We are here at Umrangso and yes, we have a lineup, all the lineups here. The main thing is that vehicle which has all our supplies, and the peculiar part is I am at 12 kilo. So here they name the place in the name of kilos instead of cross, and now it's time for breakfast. We have a breakfast, not that one, this one. So puris. We are at Umrangso, the golf retreat, and this is where the racetrack is going to be. And yes, it's not yet there. It's going to come into shape by today evening, and we are going to set our campsite over here.